Friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 game bar not recording error. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start, then click on Settings, then click on Gaming. Now click on Xbox game bar. Now turn on this option. Open Xbox game bar using this button on a controller. So make it on, then close it. Now copy and paste this URL microsoft.com/en-us/details.spx?id =, and 48231. Now guys, click on download. Now here guys, you will see this file. Select this file and click on next. Now once guys you successfully download, double click on it. Now once you see installation complete, click on close. Now restart your PC or laptop. So like this guys you can fix Windows 11 game bar not recording error in your Windows 11, and also guys this method will work in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method useful for you or not.